go. Oh, hiccup. Hi. It was you.
Yeah, the best monster of all. But you've still got the hiccups. Don't you worry. We can still get rid of them. Being a monster rocks.